Are you done? Hey, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in to another video by yours truly, Octavia Darling. In this video, as you can tell by the title, I will be sharing with you some of my favorite head wrap styles to wear during the summer. I did a huge haul at this beauty supply store in Atlanta, and I picked up so many different colored scarves, bright colors that I can use as head wraps, and I wanted to share some of those styles with you that you can maybe use as inspiration. So keep watching this video and let's get straight into it. Okay, so first things first, you see like a white ring on the side. That's because that's my mirror right there. I want to have my mirror to stay focused and I can see what I'm doing. Make sure I'm demonstrating these styles correctly to you all. So the first scarf I'm going to start with is this beautiful bright orange scarf. It is huge, but what I'm going to do is fold this scarf in half. Okay, where the two sides and the opening is in the back. Rest it on my head like this, and you want to try this with your locks or your natural hair just fully down, or if you have loose natural hair, you can do it with when your hair is like plaited in some braids or some twists to do a twist out. But since I have locks, I'm going to be talking mainly to my lock queens. But loose naturals, please also follow along because you can get really creative with these head wrap styles as well and do what works for you. So I have the scarf laid across my head, and what I'm going to do is gather the entire piece in the back and just wrap it like this to twist it. Okay. Keep twisting it down. And then I'm going to start gathering it and bringing it across the front of my head like this, and tuck the end piece in the back. So if you see any loose pieces like that, you can just tuck it. And I'm just going to make sure my locks are straight underneath. Bring it down a little bit. That. And then boom, there we have it, lock style number 1. And this is how it looks in the back. Hopefully you can see that. Okay. So as you can see, that didn't take long. This is super cute, quick, and I love that it's a bright color because I can wear it with a white shirt or anything that matches this scarf. I can wear it out. I can wear it when I'm just lounging around. It's very versatile. I like this style. So what do you think? Give a thumbs up in the comment section if you like this style. Let's move on to the second one. So for the second style, I'm going to use this yellow scarf. Lay it over my head like this. Make sure my locks are nice and flat underneath. Then I'm crossing the two pieces in the back like this. Cross. Slide this up a bit. Okay. Tie and then twist. And I'm going to twist it all the way down. And then slowly but surely start to wrap it around. Tuck that. Okay, just wrap, and then tuck the end piece underneath like so. Bring some of my locks to the front. Okay, and this is style number 2. Super cute, super easy, and I love the yellow color of the scarf. You can wear this with locks or if you are loose natural. So really do like this style. thumbs up in the comment section if you like this head wrap style. And you can even tuck your hair behind your ear if you like. Show your earrings, depending on what your preference is. So, style number 2. So for lock style number 3, I'm going to pull my hair up into a ponytail, and we'll have an updo lock style for the next one. I mean for head wrap style number 3, y'all, not lock style, for head wrap style. My apologies. So I'm going to pull my hair up into a high ponytail, and I'm just smoothing up the back of my locks just to make sure that there won't be like any lumps, or just to limit the amount of, you know how it is, the little lumps in the back. All right. Moving along. So I'm going to use this purple scarf next. I love this color, shade of purple. By the way, y'all, these scarves, the brands of this scarf is by Lorena by LJL Designs. My dog is in the background. It's cracking me up. So this scarf is the same size as the orange one. It's huge. So again, I'm just going to fold it in half. Now this time, since my hair is up, I'm going to keep the open side up and not put it at the bottom. So I'm going to put the open side up, and I'm going to flip my hair over like this and lay the scarf underneath my ponytail, okay? Bring my hair back. Then I'm going to lay the scarf over like this. There we go. Just like that. And I'm gonna shift my hair to the side. Then I'm going to tie the back and twist each end under and tuck them within the wrap. And I'm gonna do the same thing with this side. Y'all, this color is so pretty. I've never had a scarf this color, this shade of purple. I love it. This is cute. I like this one. All right, so this is head wrap style number 3. This is how it looks. This is the back. Hopefully you can see that. Leave a thumbs up in the comment section if you like head wrap style number 3. I like this one. I think this one is my favorite so far. Okay, so now let's move along to head wrap style number 4. I'm gathering my hair again so that my ponytail can be a little bit higher, and I'm actually, let's see. And by higher, guys, I just mean a little bit closer to my forehead. Okay. And I'm actually going to do a bun with this one. Dang. I'm just going to spread my locks across the ponytail and gather them around. And for this, in my case, it's not going to be perfect because my locks are not the same length. So I'm going to wrap and tuck as much as I can. There might be some pieces that stands out. It'll be like a messy high bun, okay? So this is the best that I'm going to be able to do for now in the sake of this video. So I am going to use this beautiful green. By the way, green is my favorite color, so I was looking forward to using this one. Use this beautiful green scarf to wrap around my hair. Now I'm going to fold it again because the scarf is so big, and I'm gonna keep the open sides up like that. Okay, and I'm going to wrap the scarf, and I'm gonna make sure that some of the front of my hair, like my edges, is showing. But I'm gonna wrap the scarf around like this, tie it once in the back. Same method from the last head wrap style. Twist each end like that. Tuck it underneath. And do the same with the other side. And tuck it underneath. This is cute. So this is how the back of this one look. Hopefully you can see it. I like this one, y'all. It's the color of the scarf for me. This green is hitting. I love it. You can push it back a little bit more if you like to swoop your edges down. You can do that. Me, I'm more of a natural edges kind of girl. I don't really swoop my edges like that or lay them down like that, but ooh, this is cute. All right, so this is head wrap style number 4. If you're feeling this one, leave a thumbs up in the comment section. Tell me you like this one the best. We'll see. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the next one. So for this head wrap, which is head wrap style number 5, we are, what's happening? What is happening? Okay. We are going to keep this bun, and we're gonna use a blue scarf now. I love this blue. This is so pretty. Y'all, this actually matches the color of the bag. You can see it. Since we're gonna do a different style this time, we're gonna use the entire scarf. I like to fold the end of the scarf up just a little bit so that it's nice and smooth at the bottom. And then I'm going to in my head over like this. Keep the scarf covered over my bun. And then I'm just going to start twisting it like this. And gradually start to wrap it around the bun. Like that. Wrap and tuck. Y'all, that was so quick. But this is head wrap style number 5. I hope you're feeling this one. I like this one. Super cute, giving me queen vibes. The queen that I am. You already know. But yeah, this is head wrap style number 5. This is how it looks in the back. Hopefully you can see it. If you're feeling this one, make sure you do what? Leave a thumbs up in the comment section down below. Tell me you like this one. I like this one. This is cute. This is like an everyday kind of head wrap style. Something that you can throw on when you just want to run to the grocery store, or you need to go pay some bills or something like that, you know, but you want to look cute. Your hair probably not done like it needs to be done, or maybe you don't have your locks retwisted like you need them to be, or you want them to be retwisted, or whatever. You just want to channel your queen energy. I like this one. This is a cute one to do. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I had fun recording this one. I had fun connecting with y'all again and doing a video for y'all again. It's been a couple days since I've done one. Before I go, I also want to give a shout out to one of my subscribers who left the sunflower emoji in my last video, in the comment section of my last video. Okay, so the shout out this week goes to Carly Locs on YouTube. Carly, thank you so much for leaving the sunflower emoji under my last video. So I'm giving her a shout out because she doesn't have an Instagram and she doesn't have a TikTok. However, she still followed instructions and she left the sunflower emoji in the comment section of my last video. So I told her I'm gonna give her a shout out. No one left the sunflower emoji under my picture on Instagram, the last pic, well, the picture at this time that I posted. So she's the one who gets the shout out. But keep in mind, if you're the first person that leaves a sunflower emoji under my most recent picture on Instagram, then you get a shout out in my next video. Who doesn't like free promo? So just leave the sunflower emoji. I'll give you a shout out in my next video. It can be on my Instagram or my TikTok. That information will be included in the description box below. All right, so let me go ahead and close out this video. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate your support as always. Shout out to my new subscribers. I see y'all. And make sure you stay tuned for my next video. I'll connect with y'all later, and I hope y'all have an amazing week. Bye.